Can you imagine how a wooden ring like this is made? Let me show you, step by step. I start by choosing the woods. Sometimes I do it slowly, with a cup of coffee by my side. It's almost like a ritual. Here I start cutting the marquetry Yin Yang. I do it with a crossbow saw which has no motor. It allows me to have more control. These small circles require even more patience. There's no rushing here. A small break to get inspired by one of my favorite marquetry books. Now I fit everything together like a little puzzle. Each shape finds its place. When everything is where it should be, I apply the hot glue, quickly and precisely. Then into the press. Now it's time to wait until tomorrow. This step always reminds me that good things take time. While the Yin Yang rests in the press, I also slow down and enjoy nature. After spending the night in the press, the marquetry is now solid, ready for the next step. I add another layer of wood to give it more strength and a firm feel, without losing its lightness. Once again, patience. Back into the press until tomorrow. Time to prepare this week's orders. Every time someone chooses one of my pieces, it reminds me why I do this. Just lifting my gaze brings me the calm I need to keep creating. With water, I remove the paper that protects the marquetry, slowly, as if the wood were waking up. Then I'll let it dry calmly, and the next day, I continue. A new day in the workshop. I like to light a bit of incense before getting back to working with the wood. Now I give it its final shape, round, complete, just like the symbol itself. I love this moment, sanding by hand and feeling it turn smooth. I apply a coat of natural oil, and the wood comes to life. In every grain, in every texture, lies the essence of what I do. Now it's ready. The piece is placed onto its base, as if it's found its true place. I made it slowly and with great care. If you feel this ring is meant for you, you'll find a link in the description.